Konnichiwa! Today we have Pokemon snack. Pikachu shape. It's so cute. Akete. Tada! This is the opening. This is like a Chocobi. If you don't know Chocobi, you can check other videos to see what is Chocobi. This one have 40 types of stickers. Let's open. Oh. Wow, who's that? Terrapagos, normal form. Oh, there is a game. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Let's choose which number you like. I choose number, let's go for number 2. Down and then first line and then down, first line going to 5, down and then turn left and down. Let's see. So finally we go to number 4. Yatta! We get it! Okay, let's try to eat. Let's open. Oh. Wow, oishiso. Pikachu, itadakimasu. Oishi. Next, let's check the sticker. Oh, which one we got? "40 types." Let's open. We got Noodle. Do you know him? Type Misu, water. It's a water Pokemon. Oh. Let's eat one more. Pikachu. Children will like this one. Thank you for watching.